Okay, so my wife has to go to work today until such time she is allowed to work from home. And I'm just making some preparations for her. I am going to wrap some Clorox wipe. This is disinfecting wipes, and I guess it has chlorine or something in it. This is supposed to be effective in killing all kinds of germs. So this is wet, so I have to keep it wet until she uses it, and after which she throws it away. So this is the kind of thing that helps. You can disinfect or clean your desk. So I made a few for her. So she's gonna bring with her the wipes, the gloves, and face mask. So this is not surgical grade. This is not the hospital ones. This is 3 plies, but it's better than not having any. Right? The hospital ones are a bit thicker. And remember, when you use this, the blue side faces out. And the white side is the inside. And they have a piece of metal here. You have to form it so that it fits the contour of your nose. So the blue side has a bit of water resistant, so any flying droplets will be blocked. So that's the idea. So she's also going to bring with her this UVC light. So I have a video on this if anyone wants to look at this. And yeah, this is the same type of stuff that is used to kill germs that they use on planes, or they use, I guess, Lysol. So, and then when I went to Costco yesterday, I bought a couple of rolls of these plastic food wrap. For what purpose? For this kind of purpose. So you can wrap things in, and then they're disposable. So until I think of other things to bring, these are the few things that she can bring to work. You need to go to work, and she needs to take the subway, and she has to take the buses. So there's no way that
unlock your iPhone first.
There's no way to avoid contact. So I'm gonna scan the phone before she takes off with it. So it only takes a few seconds to kill the viruses. And if you're lucky to have this, then scan everything. When I try to order this type of wand, the UVC wand, you cannot get them anymore. So there's a bulb. I just turned it off. So there's a UVC bulb that transmits UVC light, and that kills all the viruses and bacteria by just scanning it. It is amazing, but that's what it can do. Okay, so this is the stuff that I'm going to give my wife, and hopefully she will have a safe working day. All right, thank you for watching. GoPro stop. Don't shine the light on anyone, so just bear that in mind and you should be okay. Turn it off, just press again. So this is the 4-watt UVC light that runs on 4 AA batteries. So I use anti-loop batteries so I can recharge them. They say you can clean surfaces after a few seconds, but if you run it for a longer period of time, the more successful you'll be in killing the viruses. I actually ordered a more powerful unit. It's a bare bulb, 18 watts UVC, and it comes with its own ballast that I would make sort of like a sterilization box. I can build a box and put the light on top and then turn it on for like half an hour and disinfect whatever clothing or whatnot you have that you need to disinfect. So I don't recommend this particular light because the tilt switch is so bad you can't actually